Welcome to the Maven Collective Method, where AI hosts Mae and Colby from Maven Collective Marketing unpack what it takes to stand out and succeed as a Microsoft partner.
Hi, everyone. Today we're talking about Microsoft's FY26 priorities and what they mean for partners.
Thanks for having me back, May. Microsoft has really been setting the tone for FY26, and the theme is clear. We're entering an AI first era. Microsoft is putting AI driven innovation at the center of everything.
As exciting as it sounds, what does an AI first approach really mean for partners?
Great question. It starts with the concept of becoming a frontier firm. Microsoft introduced this model as a framework for organizations that integrate AI agents across their operations. Think of it as four pillars: enriching employee experiences, reinventing customer engagement, reshaping business processes, and bending the curve on innovation.
So it's not just about using AI tools, it's about transforming the entire business model?
Exactly. And Microsoft is backing this up with three core focus areas: AI business solutions, cloud and AI platforms, and security. Partners won't see immediate changes to designations, but updates will start rolling out in early 2026. So now's the time to prepare.
Speaking of priorities, what's on Microsoft's FY26 agenda?
Judson Althoff outlined five big ones: Copilots on every device and role, strong execution in Microsoft 365 and Dynamics 365, frontier AI innovation, cloud migrations and modernization, and securing the tech stack.
That's a lot to take in. And I heard there's something new for Azure.
Yes, Azure Accelerate. It's a centralized offering that combines Azure Migrate and Modernize, Azure Innovate, and Cloud Accelerate Factory. Partners get direct access to Microsoft experts, new investment opportunities, and support for diverse customer scenarios. Plus, Azure-related incentives are increasing by 70% year over year. That's huge.
Wow, that's a serious commitment. And AI seems to be everywhere in this strategy.
You're spot on. Microsoft made it clear. AI adoption is the foundation of success in FY26. Partners should scale with AI by deploying copilots across Microsoft 365, Dynamics 365, and industry platforms. Tools like Copilot Studio and Azure Integrated Solutions make it possible to build intelligent, customizable agents.
I love that idea of customizable agents. But how do partners stand out in this AI first world?
Two ways. First, become a trusted AI advisor by adopting Microsoft's AI stack internally. Be customer zero. Second, leverage programs like the Microsoft AI Cloud Partner Program for technical benefits, sales enablement, and exclusive certifications. And don't forget SMBs. The total addressable market for organizations under 3,000 employees is projected to hit $777 billion by FY26.
That's a massive opportunity, but with all this innovation, security has to be a concern, right?
Definitely. Cyber threats have grown 5 times year over year, and password attacks have doubled. Gen AI makes attacks faster and harder to detect. Microsoft is doubling down on security with enhanced cybersecurity, incident response, and simplified solution plays. Partners need to secure the baseline and scale security services across small and medium businesses and commercial segments.
So AI and security are the twin pillars of FY26. Anything else partners should know?
Yes, solution areas are being restructured. Starting in 2026, Microsoft will consolidate 6 areas into 3: AI business solutions, cloud and AI platforms, and security. New designations are coming too, like Copilot specialization, device designations, and sovereign cloud specialization.
Sounds like a lot of change, but also a lot of opportunity.
Exactly. This is the time for partners to align their offerings, marketing, and sales strategies with Microsoft's future direction. And Maven Collective is here to help you navigate it all.
Thanks for breaking it down, Colby. And thanks to all of you for tuning in to the Maven Collective Method. Join us next time as we explore more strategies to help Microsoft partners thrive in this AI first era.